from a fiat price perspective, we're down 50% from the top 126. If you've been through a couple cycles, you're used to this, right? There's 2014, 18, 22. It's kind of the you know it's history kind of tends to repeat, and that's kind of where we're at right now. As you all just mentioned, kind of in this sideways chop consolidation area from the free out price perspective. And so it'd be kind of boring. A lot of people get bored. A lot of people leave. A lot of people chase a lot of momentum things and in TradFi, and Bitcoin's obviously the momentum is gone out of it. So a lot of times you get a rotation into things that are moving. So, but to your other point earlier, I think this is, in my opinion, based on fundamentals, I think Bitcoin is if you would call it, the cheapest or the most undervalued Bitcoin's ever been. And if you look at like Bitcoin versus gold, Bitcoin versus silver, because I think it's a good comparison to do, and make sure the denominator is a commodity. Those are interesting ways to look at what Bitcoin's doing compared to other assets. We're at bear market levels going back to around the FTX ranges off BTC GLD or BTC SLV. So for longer term, I think it's one of the best price points that, from a BTC gold perspective, that we may ever get the next year or so. But for me, I expect a lot of times, things are never too low to start selling, as they said, reminiscences of a stock operator. Some of the people's favorite books to read when it comes to Wall Street and trading and things like that. And it's boring right now, but in my opinion, it's Bitcoin's never been more undervalued.